Thank you everyone. Chiri live. Hello. Narwashite mujja mu protest bantu.
Ono yasuze wano na inokubanga yasuze wano.
Mama Solomon agamba they've landed, so everyone is fine. Thank you, Bananga. The turn up is really, really good. We are in London Heathrow. Babuze kawansu. Hello. It's Rose in time so good. Hello. How are you? I'm Patricia.
Huh?
I'm Patricia.
I'm Stephen.
Hello, Stephen.
You're right, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you for coming. Hello. Hey, Mama. We've got a historical visit. You're welcome. It's a historical visit. Man, yay! Okay. Kakati bangambye nti balandinze.
Yes.
5 minutes ago. So now they're checking out, so they'll be coming out very shortly because they're literally taking them out. Nanti abantu tebawulire tobamanyi. Yeah. Katulabe? Bakwana. Let's listen. Mumaze? Okay, cool.
Yeah. Don't worry, Mama. We look after it. Don't worry.
Everybody is now in London Heathrow. The turn-up is really, really, really amazing. The president is already landed. He's been confirmed. He's been checked out already. And he'll be coming out very, very shortly. Please, everybody, less than like batugame tubere order, so that Tetu causing trouble. The fact that other people are traveling as well, we don't want to be causing any kind of situation. My question is, where is everybody? Let us be together, please. He's literally going to be coming out very soon. Tuwegate one. Agena kuja. Mama Solomon is texting me, so we shall be knowing what's going on. Okay. Can we pull here? Let us pull all together. Let us be together. One day. Margaret,
uliriza bangambye kugambe kubanga oli ku executive waliwo plan
yogera mpola tuli live. My dear, ebimuli bino biraba Kato is going to be taking over the flowers. I've already communicated with Mama Solomon. People are not going to be giving her anything or him. However, Kato will hold the flowers, then I'll be handing it over. Ajja kuba abalaba nti omuwadde ebimuli okitegeera naye namugambye dda. Guys, bajja tugaana ono mwana kale yagenda kujja, so katilindako wamala okuŋŋamba waŋŋamba nti no bajja nga Gabi avaayo nja kumuleeta wano, tujja muyisa wano ajja kireeta. Banange, let us be orderly. The communication is going to be coming out. Order. Hood, come and speak so that everybody can hear you. Excuse me. Anyone who has a present, flowers, you're going to be giving them to Kato. Mama Solomon or Tata Solomon is not going to be holding flowers or presents right now. Kubanga, there's going to be a lot of kafafo. There's only one child who's going to be handing over a flower. That's it. Yeah. The turn-up is really, really, really amazing. I tell you, nobody delayed on the trains. Mr. Kato Wali, I'm communicating. How Thank you for coming. As always, the soldiers always here. This is a historical major visit by Robert Chagulan. Thank you. By Mr. Chagulan Sentamu. In London Heathrow, we are in Terminal 4, and those people who are on the trains, on the buses, the delays are major. If you can't take alternative routes, Paddington is the quickest express, and you have to change at Heathrow Terminal 1 and 3 and take the Elizabeth line. Only ruined it, perfect. So, how are you, my dear? Bettina, traffic are stuck. Unfortunately, unless you park your cars and jump onto the train, because I have already received communication that they have landed and they've already checked in. They are yet to come out because they have to go and pick up their luggage, and that is the communication we have right now. So if you're driving and you're late, you're gonna have to park your car and jump on the train. It's the only alternative right now. Bagenda tugana. We muna itirize bagenda kutugana. Bagenda tugana. Hey, kanzi jamu jacket. Kwatirako. Jamu jacket.
Zenaga yatamyedda. Bobi, side one Bobi. Our power. Woo! People power. Our power. People power. Side one Bobi. Tata Sumi. Tata Kapara. Side one Bobi. Bobi. Bobi, hey! Bobi, hey! Hold it like that. Okay, then go do it everywhere. Ogenda nesigala n'essimu yo uja agenze kikitegedde kyabadde ngamba ayagala abeere live ngenda kuvaawo wano ngenda kunywa kukyali ate kakati gwokola kino essimu kwata essimu yo kwata ojja kwekola bwoti naye aliwa Right. I don't touch anyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Like you've all heard, the president is going to be checking out any time from now. We're only going to be taking one flower from the little child, Gabi. If you have flowers, please. Ogenabi wakato. The security gulu. Security gulu. Security no ngateri gulu. Eh. Ona mukamba aja sobola. Naye mwabaseka. Kati president wabukwa. They should start. Start. Anytime now. Hello, Wanage. Thank you everyone for coming. Now, my question is, ngate muja mu protest. Mwena muzechu tsa. Never to wait to protest, you don't come. I am tired of your excuses. You guys, we need to protest. Our power. People power. Everywhere. Anything. We are in London Heathrow, one of the biggest airports in the whole world. The police has been informed. Tebula bawana muntie nali mutukunya kunya. Tewali watu gana kola activity afe. Everybody has been informed. Singa tubadde Uganda, singa batukunya, singa batukuba, singa batuchulugunya kubanga their way of doing things is kukunya kunya na kutukambuwalira. President again. Our power. Woo! Hey! London Heathrow. Oh no, security gulu. Akabaja akanina taiza kwanza. Security is real. They want saga. Kumulabye omujasi kato. Okwata kuchakulanyi kati wana kulyamu amaaso n'agajjamu n'agagaaya. Everyone who needs any sort of communication, keep yourself on my page. We shall be communicating your navigant of Banga along the way. reason why it's a very major visit, the president was banned from traveling to the UK for 10 years, but through going to court and so many different work from different comrades from the UK, the ban was lifted and the president was agreed to come to the UK. Sweetheart, I know you want to be out here. Eh? So consider mukawa kazina. Kona mwendogo. Wow. This is London Heathrow, Terminal 4. The President, Robert Chagulanyi Omulonde. I'm good, how are you, my baby? I'm good, thank you. We have a good job and good numbers. It's really amazing. Oh, no, you put down no lips. This man. Order, Mananga, let's have the order, please, guys. Let's have the order, please. Yago was taking the people away, please. What you said.
Listen, yeah? Listen for a minute. One side. How about you? Behind the barriers. Behind the barriers here.
Behind the barriers. Order.
Guys, behind the barriers here. Behind the barriers.
We love you, Bobi. We love you, Bobi.
Guys, listen.
Margaret, you heard it over there. Exactly. This is what we're going to have to do.
Guys, go. No.
No. What you're doing is wrong. Come on, we're in the order. What I will say. Everybody is overwhelmed and very, very happy. Wow. By the visit of the president.
Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. I am very, very humbled. It's been a long time. I've not been here for 10 painful years. Yeah. But I'm finally here, and I don't know what to say right now. I'm excited to meet you. I'm excited to be here after a long 10 years. We are here briefly. This time around I've come for people power. People power. I can understand the excitement. Thank you. I was saying I'm excited to be here after a long, painful years. And I'm here, and I'll be coming here regularly. Yes, this time around, I'm here for official duties. Thanks to National Geographical channel, I am here. Our documentary has been nominated 3 times, so I'm here to attend the awards. I'm also here to meet the leadership of our party and our movement. But I'll also come back here for leisure and for fun. But most importantly, I'll be coming back here regularly for the struggle. We have been able to cut off the dictators in many parts of the country, and we are here to cut off the dictator from the UK. So Bobi. It's exciting. Let the games begin. Let the fights begin. Let's go.
Can you tell me what is going to happen so that I can communicate? Are you taking him now? Yeah. You're taking him now? I think let's have a group picture here and get done with it. Tata, we are going to have like 3 group pictures and we are done. So guys, everybody, we are going to have 3 group pictures with Tata and that's it. But let us have order. Without order, to go please, Three group pictures. Let us have some sort of order. Kato, organize the people of group pictures to get in there. Let everybody come behind him. Kakati, Mama Solomon. Mama Solomon. Yes. Kato. Yes. Sweetheart, we are going to take pictures with him. Yes. Yes.
But we love you.
Nange mbagala nnyo.
Tukwagala nnyo Bobi kuma Bobi bulungi nnyo.
We mugana kwetegereza ekifaananyi tugenda kikansolinga. Let's have some sort of order. Banange, order.
President.
Our power. People power. We are going to have a group picture with Tata. If you're not orderly, he's not going to take the pictures. Please. Yes.
Cameras were there on one side.
Yes. Everybody with the camera, come the other side.
All the cameramen come this way.
Come this side.
Everyone come this way now.
Nina, mugenda kwekubya bifaananyi ne taata kati mukwenda we muti fenna abakamera tuddewo. Please,
get back from Bobi.
Yes.
Don't get too close.
Let everybody organize themselves here.
Bobi, give us space. Give us space.
People, please. Yes, if you're not ready, President is leaving. He has a meeting.
You all come this side.
Yeah.
If not, it's going.
Okay, guys, the pictures are now going to start.
Can we go? Where are we going?
Organized. This is a very simple thing. The president has a meeting. Guys, come on. The president is going to leave without the pictures. Kati, here. Let us take a picture here. Perfect.
We need to go. Because if we don't go,
yeah.
we are not going to go.
Unfortunately, the picture is not going to happen. I don't need to be in front. So listen, I don't never let him someone kubera orderly.
Bobi.
Hey. Yes.
Bobi.
Yeah, Chagulani. Bobi. Yeah.
Bobi.
Yeah.
Chagulani.
Yeah.
Bobi.
Yeah.
Bobi.
Yeah.
Bobi.
Yeah.
Chagulani.
Yeah.
Bobi.
Yeah.
Bobi. Bobi. Chagulani. People power.
Our power. Come on,
Bobi.
Because let me go through.
Bobi.
I'm live. Let me go in front. Everywhere I am, look it up. You're going to come tomorrow, you're going to see him on Saturday. So on Sunday, be on my page. Check on my page, I'll be giving all information. Information because, yes, Peggy and hello, Mama. You're going to be seeing all communication from my page. I'm going to make a very quick announcement.
Come around here, guys. 1 minute.
I want to make a quick announcement. The president will be at the movies tomorrow. However, if you don't have a ticket, you'll not be allowed in. President agenda kubera in Leicester Square okupremieringa movie. Muwulirize.
1 minute.
Bw'oba tolina ticket tebagenda kukkiriza kujja. However, musobola okubeera wabweru because you can have pictures with him and meet him as well. Tomorrow. Kakati, listen. Buli ayagala kufuna any information genda ku page ya Patricia Sewungu page on Sunday. I'm so sorry for people who are disappointed. The president has a meeting today and it's a very important meeting. So if there wasn't any way we're going to tanga tuganya fenyini okubera orderly. However, on Sunday, he's going to meet people. But still, it is by appointment. If you're not on the list, they will not allow you. So where akupeji and I'll be giving all full communication. Njakubera mbabulira kupeji yange. Ensonga lwaki communication teri out there. Kubanga mumanya exactly. Museveni ali buli wabanya ndi mukogera mu Luganda. Mubeera ku page ya Patricia Sewungu ngenda ku yonna bagirangira kola kuba temwagala kugoberera kwe ate kati nno si Luganda. Banyange nammwe ensonga lwaki communication teri clear kubanga bano abasajja ba Museveni bali buli wamu akavuyo kabadde kangi in this visit. That's why bafulumya communication emu kwemu. Naye communication zonna zigenda kufuluma and president ajja kulaba abantu. Naye mbegayiridde wajja ffenna tuli excited nange ndi happy omulaba. Tubeere orderly so that asobola okubeera ng'ayogera naffe yeekubye ebifaananyi ajja gaba selfies. In the plan today, he was supposed to take pictures with people. Naye tuganye. Abanyize, tuli sorry. Security, it is their responsibility of making sure that the president is well protected. We are sorry, but the communication was very clear. So that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Patricia Sewungu. Inbox minda wabazola kufuna because I have mine attend the Jackson la kubera yo ndi kumolemo. So page. Ngamba neke sawa meka. Film wenele wedi abantu bagenda kulaba president. Chemba gambye nche. Sawa 12. Yeah. Tandika communication today. Aranayagala okujja Leicester Square ajja kubeerayo. Naye wamunagaana okubeera ne order tajja kubalaba because the security is even going to be more tight. Unfortunately. Yogera kato. Abantu bawuliriza. Abantu batabuse. Anyway, nze kati ngenze. I think that's it. If you have left your jacket, please go and pick up your jacket. There you go. Oh, what a night. Thank you everyone for coming. It was such a great turnout. It's done. We are done. We are done. We are done.
Are people happy? How are people happy?
People are happy. If you brought flowers and you trust me enough, you can give them to me, I'll give them to Babi. Patricia. Bitwale. Yewa, yega. Bisule ne. Bisule ngabantu bakula, Yega tabyogera bitwale. Nze tunangana chimo, Communication, no abantu bawuliza banigenda bali stubborn. Baganye. Namwe abebulaya ate mulimi. Yes. Tewasobola. Banan. Let the coordinator speak. Order. The coordinator anti-vow. The coordinator, my dear. Kativow, like abantu bawuliriza namwe temukola ntondo ziri unnecessary. Let the coordinator speak about communication. Let them muwuliriza mwakulira wa. Mulimba namwe. Peter, can you give people some communication? Order. Then I'm steady. Banana. Tubagamba okujja mu protest mucha. Chuka muze wano mukusanirule. Come on. Let the coordinator address the people, please. Peter, tell them that most of the communication is going to be on all people power national unity platform pages. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we listen for a bit?
Yes.
I know there's been a lot of excitement. The president having not been here for all this time.
Yeah.
What I can say to you is that yes, he's coming on the short visit. He's certainly going to be coming, as you say, many times. Yeah. And yes, even as he's here, I am going to try and look, at this program and see if there's any gaps in this program at all. We will be building to the platform and then we can arrange where people can meet him. So really what I'm going to look at is closed program from tomorrow, tomorrow is taken. I'll look at Friday. If there's anything on Friday, then look at our platform, we'll post something in there and then we'll tell you where you can meet him. Otherwise, it's just that we're not very organized and that's why we couldn't get the time. Everybody's excited, which is quite right. The excitement is quite legitimate and right, and I know that we all wanted to see him. So look on our platforms on Friday, if there's any time at all, we may squeeze 1 or 2 hours where you can meet a few people and we'll post it on the platform. If there's no time, then obviously, I know that it's coming back from February for a very long time. It's going to be here for a number of days, I think about 10 days. So if it's coming in February, I think for some events as well, which will be social, as you said. So let's look out for that. Otherwise, today, thank you so much for coming in these big numbers to welcome the president. And I can tell you, it's a pleasure. And let's all keep this fight going ahead and ahead. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Okay, thank you. And
Yeah, people power. Our power. As always, is cut on the mic. Yeah. Now, I think, I don't want gossip, but I think among us, not including myself, some people were lucky to get some movie tickets. So wait on the platform, NUP UK chapter, you'll be informed of those who will be having the tickets to go to the movie. It's a VIP. These are tickets are not being sold anywhere. And I think the geographical channel gave out only 20 tickets. So I'll advise you, those who don't have tickets, not to turn up. Then
they can't actually stay outside. They can't
on a
stay
Sunday,
outside.
as the president said, there are some specific people, those who have been demonstrating, those who have been contributing, those who have been posting, those who have been committed to the UK chapter and NUP struggle. Few of them, I think, have also been invited to meet up with the president somewhere. That will be announced later. Myself, standing here, I don't have the ticket for the movie, so I won't be there because I've seen it 2 times. So I won't be there to watch the movie. I might be outside standing, maybe I want to say hello to the president, but I'll advise you, if you don't have a ticket, you'll be waiting maybe outside.
Yeah.
Yes? Yes. There is no, I don't think so, but as it will be like today. Yeah, so if you have a ticket,
let me explain this to everyone. Let me explain. People power. People power. I'm requesting everyone and just asking everybody that please, we are very sorry about feeding Kunyiza. Security was told very clearly that they had to protect the president. So omuntu asobola kukola handshake ebimuli ebirabo and all that tusaba kutusonywa. However, ngenda kola communication ku page yange ya Patricia Sewo chonna chinabao. Last time we twagenda mu movie abali tebalina ticket basigala wabweru and they could take pictures with Bobi. So even this time, if you come in time or tojja kuyingira, don't be offended nga bakuganya okuyingira. However, I know abantu babera banyiga. So if you want to come, no, it's okay. If you want to come, stay outside. There will be a picture moment or to speak to the president. It's entirely up to you. As long as they're going to cause kafafo and any kind of pandemonium, atapatungagala or tabuke. Uwabelango manyinti oli orderly at least a square. Nenda kubitekayo ku page yange. Ku Sunday, it's the same thing. But please, we are so sorry. This was not our visit. It was the geographical visit. It isn't ours. In February, we have our visit. Now what tutabera order president abadaga kwa kwefana nyine tugana. Then next time what tunabera nga tetuli mu order security agena mujao. Ate security agena mujao this time bazungu. Sife. So tubera nedda. Aha, esanyu lya nyine tugana kubera nga tuli controllinga. Tubere mu order. Nina, that's a lie. But to Gambia, to immediately behind the barriers. Never gamba, the camera was there. Abantu never ita madini sa never jump. Nina, don't cause trouble. Nina, stop it. Tawali wa muntiye na yena aganye organizing abantu. But to Gambia. Anyway, thank you everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Zanyenza kumulima.
Ya basana banyabo. Abantu bagaba mu security n'ubundi kubanga. From a briefing
baleka abantu baba bagala okujja. Lero li Margaret natwajja. Tofa, abantu bana bali happy Margaret. Abantu
listen. Nobody complaining.
Let people see they are happy.
Listen and communication. Thank you very much. Security was a while, period.
They cannot get it. They don't jog it. As long as they get a feeling,
those who want the rest
outside is fine. Like we did last time. People were outside and they took pictures from asylum. So if they want to come, let them come.
those who want flags, those who want t-shirts,
Can someone direct me to the train, please? Munda get a train in Bavile. Abanaiganda temugwaye. Olina empisa MP. Temuwuliza mukayana. Abantu mbagambe ekintu kyabadde simba. Batuganda tuyimirire emabega tukube ebifaananyi bagwana. Nataka tumanye bantu bamasingi. Kaba basindika bandi mu studio ne bamuteeka ne wansi. You know? Abanaiganda balimba nabo. Where's the train? Order. Eyo kati webuze mama ojja kugula endala. Oba byenkofiira bebala manaza. Bananga, where's the train? Can somebody tell me where the train is? Thank you as well. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow, everyone.